La la you go.
What's wrong with you, girl? I'm blessed, baby. How you feel? Look, my new wife. Who's with Deidre?
My grandma.
Okay.
Just my grandmother.
Oh, okay, I'll stop over there and see it. Yeah, I got to see it. She on the front. I got to get her.
Where are you posting this?
YouTube. La La Glow.
What is it?
La La Glow. All right, Double OG Snoop. What we doing up here?
Man, this is our 5th year annual 6-block barbecue gathering. Number family and friends and other blocks in the hood.
All right. All day people been speaking about a lady that passed away not too long ago named Rose. She seemed like she well known and well loved. Can you tell me something about her?
Yeah, Rose Gorey, she was a very beautiful person. We all growed up on the block. She was a few years older than me. Actually, she went with my oldest brother. The kids was all nice, well proportioned, come from a big family, the Gorey family. One of the predominant families on the block. She had 2 brothers that was close friends of me. With 3 brothers. All the brothers was close, but I ran with G-Man, Scratch, and Rick. So, you know, Rose was solid, man. She was a real woman. Stayed in the Cadillac, stayed sharp, stayed looking good, hair done, fingernails whipped, and was about her money, but wasn't about no BS. Real nice person.
How far do the Gories go back that you know of?
With me on the block, the Gories go back, I would say, the middle 70s.
Middle 70s?
70s. I was still in high school. Me and Deborah Gorey went to high school together.
All right.
Yeah, we went to high school together.
All right. Thanks for your time today, Snoop. And much love and much respect. And rest in peace, Rose.
It's me.
Okay, you stay the whole weekend over there and have breakfast and everything.
Oh, she didn't leave. I wanted to say nothing, girl.
He walked out with the sign. Man, go, let me know what's the
Yeah, I'll be into that kind of shit. That young man, neighborhood. Boy, how you feel?
We up here at the 6-block picnic, but I wanted to ask you about somebody that everybody been bringing up to me today, and that's a lady named Rose. Can you tell me something about her?
Okay, Rose. She lived on the corner of 62nd correction and 6th Avenue. She's Rose Gorey. She was a mother. We called her sister, a beautiful sister. And I ain't no hater, but Rose was a beautiful yellow-skinned woman. Okay.
How far you know that Rose go back on 6 block?
I think I may have met Rose, well, before Rose moved on the block. Her brother Ronnie lived on the block, him and his family. So it was always a Gorey on the corner of 62nd and 6th Ave.
Right.
So I would say probably in the probably 70s.
So they go that far back?
Yeah, yeah,
All right.
yeah.
And she was well known and well loved?
Everybody loved Rose. Everybody wanted to be around Rose. All the women wanted to wear their makeup like Rose. Put them sexy wigs on like Rose. Wear them funky outfits like Rose.
All right. Rest in peace, Rose. We miss you.
Rest in peace, Rose. We love you. Forever in our hearts.
Get out too.
All right, bro.
Get out on too.
All right. I see you.
We cook for our people. You know what I'm talking about?
You on the grill too, Al?
Yeah, man, I'm doing these oysters. You gotta get a bar. Like if they don't know about it, from this to that. Yeah, from this to that.
Good looking, Al. 6 Block appreciate you.
Man, all the time. Eat, fart.
La la la, you glow. La la la, you glow. La la la, you glow. La la la, you glow.